I think Mr. Modi is a shrewd politician. I think he's made an adroit move. I think also it reflects that he has a desire for peace between India and its neighbours. It may look abrupt to us, but there is clearly in a cabinet with Mr. Modi and an inner think tank which dictates his moves. Bangkok was equally surprising. Sushma Swaraj's visit to Islamabad for the Heart of Asia conference was also surprising. I think that Mr. Modi likes to take strong moves without making too much noise prior to them happening. Rightfully, Mr. Sharif should be thrilled. I think all peace-loving people in Pakistan should be happy. I know it's a tradition in the English media to believe that the army will not be happy, but I think that peace in South Asia is an imperative which all sane people, decision makers or otherwise, must bow to.